Alright guys, you wanted me to review some detailing stuff, and I thought it would be a great idea. This is a 25-piece all-purpose power scrubbing cleaning kit. It's got parts that go in the drill with Velcro pads. It's got different brushes for different type of upholstery or aggressiveness. And I figured we'd try this kit out. It was 27 bucks on Amazon for all of the polishing pads, the brushes, the quick inserts for your impact drill if you wanted to put an impact drill on it. So this is floor mat from my car. I'm gonna pre-soak it right now, and then we're gonna use one of those and try it out. So I've got this wet right now, basic, just sprayed over, kind of real heavy, and it's soaking. I'm gonna go and open this pack and lay out the pieces so you can see what they are. Now there's different type of polishing pads here, and what each color means I'd have to look into it a little bit more, but I'm sure you could go to the website and actually look and see Dr. Brush what each one does. Anyhow, different polishing pads, different like Scotch-Brite pads, some finer and some more aggressive. And then here, this is, I think this is like a finishing pad or some sort after you're done using a Scotch-Brite pad. And then you got the adapter, the Velcro. I don't know if this is like the double hook setup that 3M uses. Kind of seems like it. And then all your different style brushes. Some of it more spaced out, a little bit more aggressive than the next. Some of it tighter together with way more brushes. So it's kind of like, you know, what do you want to use today? What's your choice? Then you get like a wheel brush that you can put on with the extension that comes with the kit. And then you get some smaller brushes to get in tighter spots if you're working inside the car in some kind of like plastic flow-through console area or something like that. So far, looking at the kit and everything that comes with it, I'm highly impressed with the amount of material that comes with this for the price. I did buy the Air Tornator, you know, that detailing tool that's got the big funnel off of it, and it wands around and sprays the fluid out. And this is the fluid that they use for cleaning the enzyme multi-purpose cleaner. So I mixed up about a 50-50 solution in there to see if it'll do this. They said you can use it straight as well. We'll do a review on the Tornado or the Tornator separate, but right now we're going to stick with just hand and manual. I got my shop vac outside right now so I can vacuum the wetness out of it when we're done, and then we can do a compare and contrast, or like compare before and after, and see how good it actually functioned. This is the Bauer, looks like almost identical to a Milwaukee Harbor Freight 20-volt lithium. I got it on sale for like 65-70 bucks, I think, and it has been a phenomenal drill. And I really beat the mess out of this thing every single day working on vehicles, and it just takes every bit of it. So the more I look at it, the more finer it is too. I notice like this is really soft. This one's really coarse and really firm, probably for a heavier duty, more aggressive job. Same thing, this is a little bit in between. It almost seems the yellow and white. And then the green one that I have on here, it's a little bit soft as well. It's hard to tell which position it fits in between those, but I think I'm going to use the green one on here to start with. I'm going to add just a little bit more water to it because it's really dry and it's not soapy at all. Alright, now I'm going to wash it off and then see where we're at. Well, there's all the dirt and nastiness it was slinging out of. Much cleaner now than it was before, that big stain that it had in here. I may go ahead and hit it one more time just to see if I can get a better final product out of it, but other than that, it's a pretty nice kit. There we go. It's even better than what it was before. Oh yeah. Even fluffier. I went to the big red brush. Seems to actually work better and fluff it up more and like dig down into the material better. You could tell a ton of difference. But again, these have never been cleaned like this, so it may take multiple passes. Well, I went over it one more time just to see if I could get anything else out of it. And, you know, with this being a 2006 floor mat, I don't think I'm going to be able to get it perfect. Maybe the chemicals I'm using aren't perfect, but I'm very, very impressed with the tool itself and how it's able to get into the carpet and really dig stuff out of there. This actually turned out very good. I was hoping for not as good as this. I just wanted all the staining and stuff from right in here to go away, and it pretty much is gone. And that's that area right there where you rest your heel all the time. I don't know that I'm ever going to be able to get that completely out unless I spent half an hour on this just doing nothing but grinding into it. I'm fine and I'm pleased with the product, the way it came out, so I'm going to leave it at that. This, so far, has been a very good tool to use for detailing, so I'm actually going to go live here in a little bit and do the actual full floor mat on the passenger side and give that a demonstration live. But as of right now, great kit. I can find many benefits for this, especially little imperfections and stuff in front bumpers if you needed to buff something out real quick and you needed a couple different buffing pads with compounds. If you needed to straighten out a tail light and you needed some scuffing and then polishing, you could do that with this kit as well. Definitely more than one benefit to having this kit. So I appreciate y'all watching. Great kit. Amazon, I think it was like $25 to $27 or something like that for all this, and seems of pretty good quality. It's got a pivot spin right here for those the pads that velcro to it. And then it's got the extension, and each one of the brushes have a locked-in impact locker, or what you call it, would go like to an impact tool or impact driver tool. And then you have put the extension on and then put this on, you clean your wheels. That turned out real good too.